A source of unknown frequency gives 4 beats per second when sounded with the source of known frequency 250 Hz. The second harmonic of the source of unknown frequency gives 5 beats per second when sounded with the source of frequency 513 Hz. What is that unknown frequency? Let us solve this step by step to determine the unknown frequency. Given the unknown frequency fx, in first case, beats with 250 Hz is equal to 4 beats per second, and possible frequencies can be fx is equal to 250 plus or minus 4, that can be either 254 Hz or 246 Hz. And second case can be second harmonic to fx. Second harmonic of fx gives 5 beats per second with the source of 513 Hz. So possible frequencies of 2fx can be 513 plus or minus 5. That can be either 518 Hz or 508 Hz. From the second case, we have 2fx is equal to 518 or 508. Solving for fx, fx is equal to 518 by 2, which is nothing but 259 Hz, or fx is equal to 508 by 2, which is 254 Hz. From the first case, fx must either be 254 Hz or 256 Hz. Since 254 satisfies both the cases, it is the correct answer. Therefore, the unknown frequency is 254 Hz, so correct option is D.